Prime Minister James Marape, when announcing the appointment of Sir Salamo as the Commissioner of the COI into the 3 billion kina UBS loan, said a wider consultation was made before the appointment was formalized. The controversial UBS saga is an important issue and will be one of the biggest inquiry established to determine whether the loan was obtained following correct processes and procedures. NEC has approved a total of 4 million kina for the inquiry and anticipates it is concluded in 3 months.
He's been appointed as a commissioner, but there'll be other people who will be working with him. And in this instance, we are attaching Sam Koim as a lead counsel with him. And so Sam Koim and him will provide a good mixture. And in the mix, they will get other helping hands they need along the way. But look, them alone is not important. If Papua New Guineans have legitimate concern, which they have concern, I ask Papua New Guineans who have concern in this one, assist that inquiry in getting the evidence inside. I, as your Prime Minister, also will assist that inquiry with evidence when I'm required to present myself before that tribunal, or that inquiry, I beg your pardon. So he hasn't started up a job yet. And so we can't put a taint over someone who's about to start a job in this one. Sir Salamo Injia is a man of great credibility. He's one of the sharpest minds we have in the legal fraternity. And so allow him to do this job. We ask him to conclude the job in 3 months. And when the job is concluded, the nation has every right to pick up a piece of that inquiry. And I, for one, do not think that Sir Salamo Injia will place himself in a position where his personal integrity will be brought into question.
The COI was established following a report conducted by the Ombudsman Commission, which concludes that processes were not correctly followed when the 1.2 billion Australian dollar loan was obtained in 2014. However, Prime Minister Marape said the report only referred those who held leadership roles at that time to the Leadership Tribunal.
There's a preliminary, or there's a report on foot now by the report that I presented to Parliament done by Ombudsman Commission. Ombudsman Commission can still do the job to summon leaders who are implicated to answer to their conduct. Police can do their job to ensure that those who are found to have culpability can answer to their conduct. You know, people like me are answerable to go before police. I believe that my conduct was sanctioned by a valid NEC decision that required me as Finance Minister to sign off. And every activity that I did, in fact, the 2 times I came in contact with the entire UBS transaction in my tenure as Finance Minister, were both done at the back of an NEC decision that requires me as Finance Minister to sign on those occasions. But whether it's me or anyone for that matter, with this inquiry is not we're not coming in with a preconceived game plan. I think the country deserves full scrutiny as to what has happened. We don't want our country to be used as a platform for abuse, for corruption. And if there is any element of corruption or abuse or use of office to gain illegal money, I want this inquiry to look into it much deeper.
But while welcoming the findings of the UBS report, Marape said the scope of the inquiry will be extended to include all parties involved in the borrowing of the loan. These include the Union Bank of Switzerland, Oil Search Limited, and legal advisors involved in the obtaining of the UBS loan. Thakla Gunga, National MTV News.